National Gallery of Art.
You can go up here for a bit. When's the last time you've been to the Smithsonian?
I don't remember. Probably when you and I came, whenever that was. Probably like a year or so ago. And we're gonna get our steps in today too.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Ready?
Thank you. Wait for us. Look at that fool. So look at him. It's a blue rooster.
Okay, you got about 2 more minutes though, Daddy, and I really want to see that tour. Okay.
You enjoying the museum?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Let's get a little closer to this blue rooster.
Like not every day you just like, yeah.
That is one big cock. It's really blue. It's a blue cock. I wonder if it has blue balls.
His name is Han.
Han the blue cock.
What?
Did you guys see balls anywhere? Did the rooster have blue balls?
I think if you laid an egg, you might have some. But you ain't fooling me this time.
I thought only chickens lay eggs.
I don't think I'm simple, so.
See, you got what you wanted. I don't want to get in the way of your picture. All the cakes. Oh wow, it does have texture. That's so cool. Babe, come look at this. Look at, Erica pointed it out. Look at the texture. There's actual texture in the cakes. That's pretty cool. It's art. It's art. Art.
Like the one that had a little island.
Oh yeah.
All worn out and everything.
Yeah.
Hey, make one. Oh.
Pencil and eraser. So nice. So cool. You can smell the water.
Back to reality tomorrow. Oh no, you parked down there.
Can you park down there or up there?
Yeah, car's right there. Yeah, that way.
So should we double check the
Yeah. In DC on his Labor Day, enjoying it with Erica and Ciandra and the rest of DC, I suppose.
And a bunch of
It's just a beautiful day. It's sunny out. It's warm, relaxing, it's active, and the museums are not packed, so it's even better. Like, they're not like super packed. Yeah, you know you still can't find parking. It's not packed.
Didn't take us long to find parking though.
Yeah, didn't take as long. Yeah. This is one of many videos that we're trying to do this YouTube page for. So I'm trying to get her to make as many videos as possible, record many of these life events as possible.
Yep.
And I'll be the lovely assistant.
Record my boring life.
Yes. the extreme life when accounts payable rep.
Petty.
Oh
I'm not
man.
gonna record anything work related.
Yes.
Look. When I become YouTube famous, they don't need to know where I work.
Yeah. Put some paper, some tape over the. Oh!
You said it.
I said it! Oh!
Edit that out.
Oh man.
Oh, where's the phone?
Oh, it's fine.
Just pay parking $2 limit. Where are you supposed to pay?
Oh shit.
Oh, the thing is, that's only one of those ticket thingies.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. So
So probably pay.
let me double check to make sure we ain't got no ticket.
Yeah.
Is that still recorded?
Let's
So we definitely parked and forgot to pay, and we've been here for like 3 hours. I want to check to make sure I don't have like a ticket or anything.
Well, it says it's gonna tell you, so.
Okay, let's go ahead and
Yeah, definitely. Let's park. Let's pay. Yeah, breaking the law. See, everybody else got little stickers. Look at that. They got.
I wasn't driving, so it ain't my fault.
Like it was free on a holiday or something.
Yeah, Shandon. You think it was free?
You thought it was free?
I was in the back seat, I don't know.
That's cause I'm driving doesn't mean I gotta know everything.
You're the driver. You're supposed to know these things. You park. You parallel park.
You say you parallel parking, that was the only job.
These accusations are not proven straight or, huh?
How much longer are we staying? So I know how long.
I don't know.
Ticket for?
But I want to do another museum. Cause it's only 4 o'clock now. By the time we get to another one, it'll be time for us to turn back around. Unless we do another one that closes at 7.
Yeah, I'm glad.
Oh, that's a nice Hyundai. Look at that. That balloon, yeah.
You guys go for a trip. Maybe I can load something.
Yeah, what's your password?
Every time I put my card in, this is remove your card. It's like 30, like $1.
Yeah. You hot? I might tell you to wear all black. Wednesday Adams.
Yep.
Good. All right, let's put it on the car before it gets towed. Instantly.
Oh man, I can't believe this.
We were gone for like 2 hours and even.
They were gone for more than 2 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you're right. We got like 12:30.
Our youth of today. Oh, cute. Unlock it. Oh wait, I'll grab your keys.
Gotta blur that out. Blur out the license plate. Blur that part out.
Blur that part out. Tony Ayo. Make sure you can see it right in the front.
Alrighty.
Where we going?
Oh, there's one of those things over there.
Yeah. Like some fun.
So what are you guys doing on this Labor Day?
Scared of shit.
Are you outside? Are you inside? Being leisure?
I thought I was gonna die.
Couching it out? Or are you inside?
Same thing.
Are you outside cooking with your family?
Stays in place. It
Are you
doesn't
chilling on the lawn?
Same thing though.
Drinking mojitos and margaritas?
No, it doesn't move. It's stationary.
Or are you just relaxing?
You stationary too. It's the bike that's moving.
Either way, I hope you're enjoying your holiday. Hope it's as fun and as relaxing as ours.
Oh, is that the carousel over there?
Oh yeah.
Oh, remember that one time we all came to DC?
That was the same time.
Yes, I know. I'm just saying.
That was the first time.
I'm just saying. Remember that one time we came?
Yes, I
we
still have that
came
picture.
to DC and we all
I
got
had
on
a
the
picture of the fountain
carousel.
when Mariah said she was eating Camden's head. And we was
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that video. Oh, that picture.
like, it was perfect because he didn't even know what was happening. He didn't even know what was going on. Video baby got along. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's a zebra one too. There's a tiger one and a.
Well, it's a vlog.
Yeah.
I did not sign a waiver for this video.
Oh, that's too bad. I
Copyright infringement. my likeness.
It's hot as shit out here
Is it hot as shit?
in the streets of DC.
The streets? The National Mall?
Very close restoration with the family out there. All the extra bread you're gonna be laying on. Is the airspace
I love how everyone comes out here, of all races and types. Like, it's so diverse.
unifying?
People out
Yes.
here having picnics, people
Uh-huh.
out here getting their workout on.
Getting their tan, just enjoying the grass.
After they go back to their life of computers and cell phones?
Yep.
Forever.
Oh yeah, there's an air and space. Oh yeah. She's getting her yoga on.
And even the birds is hot. Look.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, they're going swimming.
She's doing her yoga.
Even the birds are going swimming.
You see her doing her yoga?
He stole the french fries.
How dare you! All right.
So, look at them. They're bathing in the water fountain. Nobody drank out of it.
Oh yeah, no. Oh my, yeah, nobody drank from that.
God, did you record that?
Oh my God, I feel sorry. There's actually a girl that does drink from that too.
No.
They hot too.
Some girl just drank from that thing.
Oh, God.
I feel sorry. She about to have all types of diseases, all kinds of
Red bird flu.
mad cow disease, tuberculosis. She's gonna have all kinds of diseases.
All
All kinds.
Oh my gosh. Shout out to the hot
Yeah, shout out to Ashwin.
Oh,
They are just living it up.
wow. You see how drenched that one is?
This is art. Oh, this is my bath. Get out. Oh, this bird don't give a fuck. He beating everybody up. Ew. Ew. You better have all kinds of diseases.
You understand white people.
Yeah. All right, y'all. It's getting hot, and I ain't trying to hold this thing all day. So, 16 minutes I think is a good time to end this. Peace out.
At Dairy Queen to get some ice cream. Some ice cream. Yeah.
Pizza in here.
It does smell like pizza in here. This chocolate cake. Did you want something? Cannon, did you want something?
course.
Let's see what they got. I wish they had the cotton candy one. How is it? Erica, how's your funnel cake sundae thing? How's your funnel cake sundae? I said, how's your funnel cake sundae?
The ice cream's good. I haven't eaten the
Oh, okay. Yeah. I got a little Arctic Rush.